In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn open to work status step by step. Whether you're actively searching for a new job or you simply want to update your profile so recruiters know you're available, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn account and go to your profile page. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Open to right under your profile picture. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Clicking this button is where you'll start updating your job preferences. You'll see several options that help you choose your job titles, preferred locations, job types, and start dates. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your profile information is already updated, double-check that your job titles match what you actually want, and review your visibility settings. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, choose whether you want your status visible to recruiters only or all LinkedIn members. After that, you should be able to click Save and your Open to Work status will be applied instantly without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to preview how your profile looks afterward, especially if you've chosen the Everyone option, since that adds the green Open to Work badge around your profile photo. Taking this extra step ensures everything looks exactly the way you want. And if you ever want to remove it later, just return to the Open to Work section, click the edit icon, and scroll down to select Delete. Confirm the deletion and your job preferences will be removed right away. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your LinkedIn Open to Work status easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?